Howdy, this is David Groce, your Texas Tax and Lawman. In this video, we finish our discussion on cryptocurrency by discussing taxation. Hey, this channel is called the Texas Tax and Lawman. You didn't really think I could do a whole series without talking about tax. So, looking at cryptocurrency, we have to ask the final question. How is it taxed? Well, first, cryptocurrency is not taxed like a currency. In IRS Notice 2014-21, the IRS stated that virtual currency would be taxed as property. This means that you now have to track the basis, the cost of the currency when you receive it, and the sales price when you exchange it, and pay tax on that difference. Imagine you work a week in someone's office and they pay you with 1 Ethereum, which currently has a value of around $2,000. Because they paid you a currency worth $2,000, you now have income of $2,000. That would be the same if they paid you in dollars, rubles, or pesos. But a week later, you decide to sell that Ethereum to buy groceries, and your favorite grocer does not take Ethereum. When you sell Ethereum for US dollars, you will either have a gain or a loss. If you sell it for $2,100 US dollars, you have a $100 gain. If you sell it for $1,800 US dollars, you have a $200 loss. This is where the fluctuation in value can cause you a problem. The IRS requires that you track and report this gain and loss on each transaction of cryptocurrency. Your 2021 tax return even has the question built into it. Did you sell or exchange cryptocurrency during the year? If so, you have to report the gain or loss and pay tax accordingly. This is yet another layer of detail on crypto. If you hold the virtual currency for less than a year, you pay ordinary income tax rates from 10% to 37%. But if you hold that same $2,000 of Ethereum for a year and 1 day, you now can sell it and only pay long-term capital gains tax rates, which range from 10% to 20%. To avail yourselves of these favorable tax rates, you now have to record the purchase and sale of each transaction, and we need to report it on your tax return. Hey, I hope this conversation on cryptocurrency has been helpful to you. For me personally, virtual currency is still a speculative enterprise. If you can tolerate the risk and like being on the cutting edge, this may be for you. Otherwise, you may just want to carry a real leather wallet and keep paying with good old-fashioned greenbacks. Until next time, adios. Texas Tax and Lawman legal disclaimer. Hey, I'm a lawyer. You know I have to have some lawyer mumbo jumbo. This is a general information video, not client attorney privilege information. The content is information only and is not directed to any specific facts or circumstances and cannot be relied upon as a legal opinion, even though that would be nice and save you a trip to the lawyer. If you have a specific legal question, feel free to contact David Groce directly or seek qualified legal or tax counsel in your state of residence, state of mind, or whatever place you call home.